Welcome guys to another tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to post on Facebook as well as schedule a post. We'll be using the Settlers Tavern for this example, and we'll be doing a generic sporting post that looks like this. So basically the way this is going to work is we're going to talk about post creation to begin with using Canva. This is just a software that allows you to manipulate photos and text to create something fantastic. And then we're going to talk about the copy on the actual Facebook post and then scheduling. So let's jump straight in and go to Google. You're going to type in Canva. Canva allows you to sign in with Facebook or Google. Canva allows you to sign in with Facebook or Google. This is completely free, so don't be worried about it. So I'm just going to use Google, my Gmail account. Once you're in, it's going to look something like this. You can see there's a bunch of templates up here, which allow you to choose from, and you can manipulate to however you like. So because we're doing a Facebook post, let's just go with Facebook post. Click there. All right. So on the side here, we have a blank canvas, and on this side to the left, we have all the templates that we can use. So basically, if you click one of these, you can go in and then just edit whatever you like. So pick one that kind of resonates with what you want to do. I think this one here with the orange bar and the text kind of really highlights for kind of a sporting environment, which is good for our post. So what I'm going to do is just go through and delete everything that I don't want on the actual post. So to find images, let's just go to Google. Let's just type in NRL Grand Final Stadium, and we'll just find an image there that we like. What we can see is the quality here isn't so great, which would not be good for our post. So we can go into Tools, Size, and then go Large. That kind of helps us find some larger images which have better quality. So this one here is good image, it's high quality, so we'll just save that. Just save it to my desktop as NRL image 1, and let's just find another sporting image that might be something that we could present at the Settlers Tavern. So this one looks pretty good, why not? High impact, and hopefully it'll be a good quality once it loads. Save that image. So boxing 1, whatever you like to save it as. Let's go back over to Canva. Find where our design is, and let's go uploads. So let's just go upload an image, go to desktop and upload these two. Alright, once these are uploaded, we can then just literally drag and drop for whatever we like. I want to put this one at the top here. We'll just stretch it out, move it around, change the position to set as background, and then just grab our boxing one here, just plonk it there, and do the same thing. Set this here as the position as backward, and there you go. Just move them up and down a bit until you find the sweet spot. I think that looks pretty good. And now for the text that goes on the poster. So let's just state the Settlers Tavern. And then for the smaller font, we can do home to all sporting events. Watch your team live and loud. Alright, so that's looking pretty good, but as we notice, there's a bit of distance here that we can kind of change. So if we click this, we can press ungroup, and then we can actually move these individual elements. Now to save, let's just press this little button up here, save, download. We can either save as a JPEG or a PNG. These are just different file qualities. We'll just do PNG because that's what it suggests, why not? Download, preparing your design. So once that's complete, it'll just save, and there we go. Over to Facebook now, and we can start creating the copy for the post and then go into scheduling. So here I am on the Settlers Tavern. We all know this is where you post here. So for this post, we're going to be doing sports related as we discussed. Obviously, it needs to be generic as possible because we're going to be using this to generate more customers coming onto our Facebook page to then target for specific sporting events such as boxing or NRL, you name it. So for this one, we'll just do make the Settlers your sporting home. Take the cap locks off. All major sporting events will be played live and loud. Stay up to date with our Facebook for the latest promotions and Alright, so this is the post that I've come up with. Make the settlers your sporting home. All major sporting events will be played live and loud. Stay up to date with our Facebook for the latest promotions and events. Then we can just finish off with hashtag the settlers tavern. As a bit of a chant that can kind of go with the Facebook post. It's good to break up your post into small sections that allow the customer to kind of read through what you're actually advertising rather than just having one big chunk. From here, let's just add a couple of emojis just to brighten up our post. So whatever's your top line, you want it to be nice and bright to bring your eyes to the post. Then we can follow through with something a bit more sporty. We can go down here and pick some sort of a nice exclamation mark. It's nice and bright. Bang, there we go. Suddenly our post looks a lot brighter and a lot more interesting, and we still have to add the image to it. So you can literally just drag and drop your image straight in, and that's all done. Then it's always good to check in. So let's check in at the Settlers Tavern. Yep, there we go. And then feeling, that just kind of creates a bit of a an emoji to whatever the attitude you're creating. So we'll just go excited. All right, so our post is now done. Here it is. It's looking bright and fantastic. Much better than just saying, "Oh, the Settlers Tavern, your local sporting venue." Really think about what you want to write and make it as interesting as possible, and then add a few emojis just to spice it up and make it a bit brighter to the eye, obviously with a nice crafted image. As we go down here, you can either press share now, or you can change here and press schedule. So scheduling allows you obviously to schedule at whatever timing you want. Just make sure there's no other scheduled posts that are going to clash with whatever you're about to schedule. A good time to post is in the morning between 7 and 9 a.m. and then also at lunch period 11 to 1 p.m. and then about 4:30 p.m. till about 8:30 p.m. and then we just press the schedule button. Done. Schedule post, and there we go. And here is our scheduled post, guys. So that concludes this tutorial. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to email me.